Friends, in the previous video we have covered this section. When I was click this tutorial button, then this will be open. I again click, this will be gone, toggle like this, and we stop in the previous video. This background color, when I was click, this background color will be not turning the white, and like that. And in this video we cover making all this data in the JSON format, or we can use the object format also, and like that. And let's go on here. First of all, we remove this background. Why this background color is coming, but this text color is not changed? I let me just see you here. I directly added the text white class name, but here you in the CSS section you can see we have a header left, and inside that menu like this class name has a more priority that this class name, this only single text white, that priority I want to reduce this. For that I can just give this here and remove this. Now here see, here priority is single, before that it will be the double, because this class name will be and this class name, that's why this has a 2 priority, but here has a less priority, that's why. Now let me just show you. Here I was click, yeah, by default see here already coming. When I was click, see this will be display, and again click. Now again I want to make this btn. When I was close this now bar, when I was click this, then this will be not to be display. For that I want to just remove all this section, all this section in some other way, and for that I can make one function. I give the toggle tutorials, and this will be function. Just copy all this here, cut this here and paste here, and after that just remove all this here and give this function reference. Now here you can see these are working. Let me just see. Now see, these are working. Now I want to make this. When I was click this btn, then this will be closed. For that I want to access first this one. For that go on the index.html file, where is nested navigation bar here, and in the above section here this is close btn. I want to add the class name. This class name will be nested navigation close btn, and just copy this id name and come in the script file. Here I want to add this, let const, and here I make all this first letter will be capital for the reading purpose, that's why. And after that here I give the document dot get element by id, and inside that paste this id name. Now I want to give this same as like this one. Just copy this again here, and here paste this variable name. After that I want to fire this add event listener, same as this tutorial when I was click here also. Now let me just show you. When I was click, this one will display, and this close one, see when I was click this tutorial section here, see this menu btn will be closed. Now when I was click, this will be closed. See, now these are working. Now we going to prepare this array of object. For this let's go on the VS Code editor. Here create one folder data. Let me just create this data, and inside that I create a one file. Let me just copy this same heading name, and here click new file. After that this is a .js, and here I create a one export. First of all export, and after that give the tutorial, and this will be the object, and yeah, export const. I was not giving the variable like this. And let me just first of all here inside that I want to give the this top heading name. For that here I want to give the name will be tutorial, and inside that I have a total multiple name, and first heading will be HTML, and CSS. Let's just copy or come in the here. I give the HTML and CSS. After that I make a here object. Here I want to give the colon not equal to. Here all this data you can see, this learn HTML, CSS, RWT, all these are we want to add this name also and this link. When I was click some menu, see it will be go on the some other pages like this. I want to add all this menu here also. For that I created this object, and inside that created one another object. Let me just give this object and here I give the uh, for that first of all I want to add here heading name will be the let me just give this here I want to create a name, and here I want to give the first of all this subtitle name, this HTML and CSS. Just copy this and paste it here. After this I give the list of the item, or you can give the like I give the menu uh, and this will be the array. Inside the array check this will be the all this inside the array, and this will be the array of object. Here I create another object. In the object field we want to first of all this title name. I give the title name this like a learn HTML. After that here again I want to give the this learn this link. When I was click this link it will be redirect into some other pages. Just copy this link and here I want to add the link also, and just give this here. Now see we added this both are equal. As like this one I want to create a, let me go back all this, but here you can see I was added this learn prefix but here I want you directly, don't worry, you can also remove this learn and add in the your simple from the when data is fetching. That's why I can add this like this because this is easier form. That's why now let me just copy this, add much more as possible as, and okay, just copy this and paste this again, and I want to change this CSS, and again I want to give the link. Let me just copy this and paste this here, and again let me just total I want to multiple. Let me just copy this and paste 1 2 2 2. Only I want to change the link and the title. Now let me just go up, these two are okay. Now let me just go click here and this RWD, here I want to give the RWD, and after that I want to give the right click, open with new tab, here click, copy this link, paste it here. Now again I want to close this tab, this boost tab, here give the boost trap, and for the link bootstrap right click, open with new tab, copy this link and paste it here like this. And after that I want to add let me go back again here, this w3.css, here I want to change the w3.css, and this link right click, open with link, close this, yeah, w3, just copy this, paste it here this link, and yeah, now okay. And let me go in this color section, I give the colors, and for the link right click, open with new tab, copy this link and paste it here, Again, let me just close all these things, and this icon, right click, open, and this is icons. After the color is done, I give the icons, yeah, icon, and for the link, copy this link, and where is icon, change this link. After the where is icon, yeah, here, let me just come here, graphic, let me just change this graphics, and this graphic, right click, open with live here, and change this link. And okay, now this will be done. And this svg, here I will give the svg, and for the link, right click, open with new tab, copy this, paste this here, and let close this all unnecessary tab. And after that, I have a Canva how to do SAS. Let me just go svg here, svg after canvas, and I want to canvas link, copy this and change this link. After the canvas, I have how to, here I give the how to, and right click, open with here, copy this link, change this here, and last option is SAS. Let me just change this, and right click here, open with new tab, here copy this link, paste is here, and all these are not necessary, just remove this. Our first data will be prepared. Here you can see this is array of object. This contain the this is only for the HTML, this option. And now I want to prepare like a second one. For that, I can first of all collapse this all. Here I collapse, click here, and now let me go on another section. Here I give the comma, and second option is a JavaScript. Let me just give the JavaScript, and this will be here, and here I will give the name. This name will be JavaScript. After here I can add like that in the previous section I add name and menu, and this will be the array, and here this is array of object. This will be contain, I write a same like a title, just copy this format one and paste it here. I want to make the format will be same as in the previous one, that's why. And here I want to change this learn JavaScript, Java script, and right click here, open the new tab, copy this link and change this link. We have created this, and paste this all, close this all, sorry. And let me just geoquery, and total we have a 2 4 6 8. Total I want to 8, one is available, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, now this will be done, and let me just change one by one. jQuery, here I want to give the jQuery, and for the link, right click, open with new tab, copy this, paste this here. Again, this is a React, let me just give the React, and for the React, right click, open with here, copy this link, change this link here, and this will be done. Now I want to, let me just see, AngularJS. Here I want to give the Angular JS and right click, copy link, come this here, change this link again, and now next option is a JSON. Here I want to give the JSON and come here, right click, open with new tab, copy this, change this here, and let me just see here. Okay, after that Ajax. Okay, let me just change this. Yeah, Ajax and this link, right click, copy, open new tab and copy this link and change this link again, and one more. Okay, two more. This is a app ml. Let me just see, copy this one more, and here I want to make this app ml, app ml, and this link I want to copy this here and paste it here, and last one is a w3.js, w3.js, and right click here, copy this, w3.js, yeah, copy this, paste it here. Like that I want to prepare all this data. Now I am going to prepare all this. Now this video I for fast forward, like that you can understand how this data will be prepared. That's why now I first of all I want to prepare all this data, then I will be back again. Let me do this first. Now here we have prepared all this data. See, let me just collapse it. Here we have all this menu like HTML, JavaScript, programming, server side menu, data analyst. All this data we have prepared, and this constant one I was exported. Let me just import this in the script file here, and in the top section let me just do this first. Here I give the import tutorial from tutorial.js. here make sure that give the extension, sometime give the error here, and let me just go on the browser, let me just see, close all this. Yeah, now let me just see, refresh the page. Okay, I think some error, let me go on the inspect, and here I see, yeah, cannot use the import statement outside a module. This error is coming. We can remove this in the going on the index.html file in the bottom section script. Here I add the script dot module, sorry, type dot module. Now let me just see, now this error will be gone. Now let me just see, yeah, now see this data is now working. For the checking this data is imported, where is script, this data is imported or not. I make here give the here not here I give the comment, and inside that I add this is a tutorial data. For the checking, just console log this tutorial data, just copy this, and here console.log and tutorial. Now let me just go on here, right click, go on the inspect. Here you can see, we see that this object, and inside that we have this all this menu and all this object. Now see, we have a prepared data. Now in the next video we have put all this data here to display, and we in the next video also make a uh, all this data, also all this data, all this one, and we display this all this data. Thank you for the watching till this. Thank you so much.